How to fix login issues in Microsoft Teams. Struggling to log in to Microsoft Teams on your iPhone? Login issues can be frustrating, but many can be fixed quickly. Let's troubleshoot common login problems. First, ensure that you have a stable internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. A weak or unstable connection can prevent proper login. Double check that you are entering the correct password and username. Typos are common. If they are correct, first close the Microsoft Teams app from your iPhone's app switcher. Then reopen it and try logging in again. This can clear temporary glitches. If the issues persist, try clearing the Teams app cache from your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down until you find Microsoft Teams. Here you can clear the app data. As a last resort, uninstall and then reinstall the Microsoft Teams app from the App Store. This often resolves corporate data issues. You've got this. Most Microsoft Teams login issues are easily fixable. Get back to collaborating. Like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams troubleshooting guides.